Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we need to scroll and find wallpaper and style. So here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. So all you need to do is to tap on change wallpaper under it, and we've been transferred to the list of available wallpapers. You can enter your own files. If you've got the photo that you'd like to apply as your home screen, then you can do it just by entering your photos, or you can choose something from on-device wallpapers that are pre-installed on this device. So just find the wallpaper that you'd like to use and tap on it. I think I'll pick this one. And now we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. So all you need to do is to tap on it and position it like you want to. So you can zoom it in or out by using your two fingers, and you can change the position of the wallpaper so you can do whatever you want with it. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. It will be immediately changed also on the lock screen. So now let's tap on set wallpaper, and here in this section you can finally decide whether you want to set the wallpaper as your lock screen, home screen, or both. If you want to set it only on the home screen, just untick this option here, so you will apply it on the home screen. However, I'd like to use both. So just tap on set if you're ready. And the wallpaper has been applied successfully. As you can see, we've got it on our home screen. Moreover, if you prefer to have it more customized, you can go to the colors here. Basically, your device can take the colors from the wallpaper that are available right here, and the icons, the text, and more will match the colors on the wallpaper. You can check it, for example, on this upper panel. After unrolling it, here we've got it quite dark, I would say. And we can choose, for example, those colors, and everything is in black and grayish manner. So it's up to you which option you prefer. You can also use other colors, so you can just choose the one you like the most. It doesn't have to be necessarily from the wallpaper. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.